Hi, this is the INFINIX Note 30 Pro and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's first open the settings app and then tap to the personalization. Here you'll see the static wallpapers, the defaults, online wallpapers. To use them you should be connected to the internet, to the mobile data, to the Wi-Fi, the gallery the gallery photos from the just taken on your device camera previously or downloaded from the internet, and also you could use the online wallpapers here, the live wallpapers. So just let's select one from the defaults wallpapers. Just select it, tap to set and select lock screen wallpaper. Configuration successfully. So let's just check and we could see that this is so simple. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just first hold for a while home screen with your finger, then tap the wallpapers icon on the left down corner, and by the same way select one from these wallpapers. Also, you could just open the gallery, live wallpapers, the onlines. After that, just select the wallpapers, set, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.